We are here today with Firas Alame. Firas, welcome back to the show.
Thank you for having me, Mike.
Today we're going to be talking about something that we all need, and it is our assets for our business. I know that I've personally spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on these different things, whether it's for sales pages or sales videos or websites, etc., because I just don't want to get sued, because if you use images that you just take from the internet, you can get in big trouble, right? So you got to be careful about that. So I'm going to read out the headline for this. You can bring us in here. It says, "The granddaddy of all AI image creation tools is finally here. Get 15 million plus AI-powered, royalty-free multimedia assets for every business that capture maximum eyeballs in 3 easy steps." So what's this all about, and why should we be excited?
Well, first of all, we've got a massive amount of supply of images, videos as well. We supply everything they could need to resell this and make a lot of money out of it. As you just mentioned, you would pay and I would pay thousands of dollars to just grab those assets. And what we've done right here, once I go through the upgrades and what's included, we've done something for green screen videos as well, which they're going to be excited about. Alongside of that, there's AI, and the AI part is really the cooler part of this app. So let's say you grab an image, okay, a stock image. What you can do within seconds, Mike, right now, you can remove the background of that image and just take the character in that image in 2 seconds without the needing to use any other tools. And there's a lot of crazy stuff I'm going to show you in a bit.
Bring us in. I mean, this is one of those, it's a visual software. Why don't we jump right into it and have you kind of walk through? I'm sure I'll have questions for you while we're looking at it.
100%, because yeah, it's self-explanatory. Let's go through share screen and let's start sharing. Okay, let me know once you can see it.
We are good. We're in.
Perfect. So this is StockBreeze. It's a very intuitive dashboard. There's everything we built. And what you can see right here, we give them something called My Drive for free, okay, so that they can store all the different images they want automatically. It's one of our different apps, so we're giving it for free. All they do is register. Okay, go to register a free account, place the API keys and authorize, and then they can go with the one-click login and use like a Dropbox account for free, basically. Okay, now when it comes to the actual product, here we're gonna go through finding images. So say you want images about dogs, for example. Okay, we're not gonna be specific right now. Just load some dog images.
I love how internet marketing videos, it's always like dog training or whatever. I don't know why everyone always goes to dogs.
Yeah, exactly. Just give me a second. I think it's loading right here. Let's see. Okay, so you see that image, for example, this is one of the stock images that generated. It generates loads and loads of them, and they usually load right here, and you can use these sizes. Right now, they're not showing. I think the guys are just updating some stuff, but usually the images show from right here. You can even edit the image right from within.
You see, so that normally it shows up right there. You just kind of open it up, but it's going to show all the different images. Okay.
And you've got all the different features. You can crop, do the orientations, filters, adjust, place watermarks as well for your branding on the images, etc. As well. There's a different there's a designer app as well that we built in. It pops out where you can do a deep basically adjustments to the image. You know what I mean? As you can see right here, you can crop, rotate, resize, blend colors, etc. So here's where you can go through drag and drop and just change a lot of stuff in the image and go pro, basically. Okay, then you get the option of removing a background, like I just said. So you can just press on remove BG, right? And it would load. Just wondering why it's not showing the full image right now. Okay, let me see. Okay, perfect. So as you can see right here, it removed the whole background in 2 seconds, and now we got the dogs in the image.
That's pretty cool, because then you can use that in other images, and if you've got other backgrounds, you can really create a new image.
You can be creative with it. Correct. Now the same thing goes with videos. So now you can pick videos, 4K videos, stock videos, etc.
Oh, look,
And
these ones are showing up. Look, it looks like this part's working like normal. So it's the
yeah,
previews are showing up here.
even the images shows up. I don't know what's happening right now, but it's showing up when it pops out. So it's gonna be all good for tomorrow, anyways. Okay. So let's pick anything. Pick something, Mike. Let me search something.
Let's do clowns. Are there any clowns? Of course, I pick one that it doesn't have one for. There we go. There's a clown.
Yeah.
A
So
sad clown. And it
you
also
can
showed a
specify.
clown fish. So it showed it's bringing up things that are related to that term.
Yeah,
Uh,
because it's a generic term, right? You didn't specify what you want from the cloud. Okay. Just needs to load a bit, or I could just, I guess, download it. It's faster. Perfect. Right here. As you can see, it shows me this clown that is crying right here. There's a lot of stuff. Let me show you something else. The
I had to
woman.
mess up Firas and give him one a random one. Woman walking on the beach. Okay.
Let's do that. Let's see that. Okay. Just give me a sec. Let me try downloads.
Oh, here they come. There's a man.
Yeah, that's a man.
Of course, with AI, I mean, it doesn't always bring up the exact thing that you want, but
Yeah, but you can load them multiple times and change it multiple times. Let's see what we got right here. And remember, this is royalty-free images, basically.
so that means like you can use them on like YouTube videos, and you're not going to get in trouble with
Exactly.
copyright. Okay.
100%. Yes. And you can use them for your clients as well. That's the commercial part of it. Okay. You can do 4K videos as well as stock videos, etc. You can find illustrations. I'm not going to go through illustrations right now because it's pretty straightforward. If you need an illustration, you would mention that prompt and it will give you multiple different illustrations for the.
So are these pre-done images, or is the AI creating them as they go? How
No,
does
the
that work?
AI, the AI is creating them.
The AI is creating them. So you're asking for something, and the AI is making you these videos?
100%. Yes,
Okay.
correct. So let me actually do one thing about illustration. All right, woman having a coconut at the beach. Let's see that. Let's see that prompt. All right, gave me coconut. Let's do this. Illustration though.
A sexy woman. Now we're onto it. Now I
Yeah.
see where Firas' mind is this morning.
No, I'm trying to get as much as possible because there's one that I did today and it
Hmm.
was crazy awesome to be honest. I did it with a team today when I was doing some uh some examples for
Hmm.
myself. Okay, let me see. It was probably here. Uh, having coconut. Let's see. Get something right here. Ah,
Maybe you did in the AI tools area. I don't,
it probably, yeah, it probably is. Uh, okay. Yes, logo generator. Okay.
I
No,
bet
it
you did
wasn't.
it. No?
It wasn't right here. No, but let's see. Being on the beach with it.
So that's obviously it's going to take a minute to do because it's going
Yes,
into the AI.
exactly. But the one I did before was an illustration, I think. It was an illustration. I believe so. It was crazy good. Gave me a beautiful image. All
There we
right, yeah,
go. Now it's
that was
doing it. This is what
okay.
I think. I think the developer's going to kill you. This is what you were looking for.
Yes, that was it. Okay. So as you can see right here, like creating me something that doesn't exist on the internet, creating me a woman walking on the beach with a coconut in hand, right? Same
That's
thing
pretty
you
cool.
can do with
I think these are amazing that you can do this kind of stuff. So with the AI generator, that's included as well in the software, the one where you can actually make the images. Is that a credit-based system for us? Is there a limitation on how many they can build? How does that work?
there's no limitation. This is included with the Pro with OTO1 basically.
Okay, so either you guys need to get there's a bundle, right?
There is a fast pass, so they get the front end and then the fast pass,
Okay.
and yeah.
So either you
Okay.
need to upgrade to the fast pass or get the OTO one, and then you get access to this part of it as well. Okay.
Exactly. There's
I,
something else I'll show you. I was trying this today and I really enjoyed it. So I placed a file of my corporation in Canada, right? So my corporate basically articles of incorporation right here. And when I asked it, I was like, how can I change my corporation address? So what AI does, they read your document, whatever document it is, PDF,
Mhm.
Word, etc., and then you get to ask them certain things about that document, and they will give you the solution. So as you can see right here, to change your corporation address, you need a corporation key to make the changes online. This key is required, blah, 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 blah. You can visit Corporation Canada website, etc. So it gave me the instructions and the phone number to call the government too.
So if you had like really long documents, I'm thinking like legal documents or something or anything or some kind of a report that you need to get
Exactly.
answers to, instead of having to go through and understand it and find it, this kind of like search, not only does it search it, but it searches it and it uses the full data from it to provide an answer.
100%. Yes.
Okay,
Now,
cool. So that's now we're getting into the territory of the upgrades. If you want to on the front end, you get access to like the basic done for you images that are it's kind of like a stock library. If you want to be able to create them, then you either need to upgrade to that fast pass or get that first OTO one. If you want to walk through what those OTOs are, that'd be great.
perfect. So we've got here as well with the OT1, the unlimited, which is you can create boomerangs. And what I mean by boomerangs, basically say you have a 20 second video or 30-second video.
Mm-hmm.
A boomerang is usually a 5-second stamp from that actual video, right? So I uploaded one and created a boomerang out of it. And this is what came out. Give me a sec. Okay. So you see that? So it was part of a reel that I did with the wife, which is like a
Mm-hmm.
20-second reel, and it took a boomerang out of it, and that was the snap. So I can use that for branding,
Use it for
on
social media, for driving clicks, for driving traffic.
exactly. So same with vectors. And now here we got the green screen videos where there's a lot of packs. All we gotta do here, and we keep updating them. There's video packs where you download them. Okay, all you gotta do is download all these packs
Mm-hmm.
and use them, especially for people that do green screen and probably like sometimes you do green screen, right? We've got here a bunch of green screen actors where you can download all these videos and use them to your advantage as well. Okay, as you can see, play the videos. So there's a bunch of different actors, and you can use that for any promotional video that you want to do with different music or voiceovers on it, etc.
You can put your own
Anything.
background on it. You can put your own logos on it and use
100%.
it how you want to. Okay.
Exactly. So all that is included in the unlimited as well. There's animated characters as well. Now, this is when it comes to the stock images, the AI, etc. The other upgrades are different. So we're offering as well something called the business resell, and we're giving with that a lot of stuff with it. So we're giving the presentation packs, we're giving done for you lead magnets, wallpaper packs, email templates, fonts pack, and startup tools. Okay, so that you can sell as well or give it to your clients that you sell to, so they have everything as done for you. And that's where you add your clients in. So all you got to do when you sell a license and resell a license, you add a client right from the dashboard, and that's about it. And they get to pay you recurring, right? We make no commission on it. Okay?
Cool.
Yeah. As well, we've got OTO3, which is AI agents. And then OTO4 is Bio Dashboard, is one of our top social media products. We've released version 4, We've got over 6,000 active users. Part of them are recurring users, so we're giving that as an upgrade here as well, so that people can use their stock images and integrate it with Viral Dashboard to go viral on their social media platform.
Cool. Okay, so that's OTO 3.
That's 4.
4. Okay.
Yeah. OTO 3 would be AI agents.
Okay, so there's 4 of them in the funnel.
Yes.
Cool. Cool. There's lots of stuff in there. My favorite part of it is the AI image generator, and just the fact that you can create anything that you want to in there. If you want to come back to me, Firas, you can.
Perfect. Just give me, honestly, if we go deep into like each sector of that software, we could stay here for 2 hours, just going through them.
I'm sure you guys are going to be doing, you're going to have that pre-launch webinar. Anyone who wants to sign up and see more about this, be able to ask Firas any questions, you can sign up for that pre-launch webinar link below. But yeah, if you just want to stop sharing and come back.
Yes. Just give me a moment.
We can see your face again here. Firas, as far as making money with this goes, what are your recommendations for people that want to monetize this?
Well, that's why we created the whole done for you system, where they have the emails, presentations, etc., so that they can resell licenses to clients, plus resell these services to people on Upwork, Fiverr, etc. It's a service that costs a lot of money, as you mentioned in the very beginning of that interview. And with all these assets in the software, now they're capable of selling a lot of royalty-free videos, images, etc., creating certain logos with watermarks for their clients, and making a lot of money out of it on Fiverr, Upwork, and different freelance sites.
And you guys are cool with them reselling it. It's fine for them to resell the images.
Obviously, we created the software for them to create their own images and resell them, right?
Firas, thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else, anything we missed, anything you want to mention before we wrap it up?
It's very important that people do attend 15 to 20 minutes in advance, because there's limitation on the seats when it comes to attendance. Plus, we are actually awarding 3 lucky winners $50 for the highest engagement. So whoever is engaged on that webinar, we're going to pick 3 winners at the end, and we're going to PayPal them each $50 as part of being on the webinar and being engaged and asking questions. Second thing, 3 lucky winners will get to win the front-end license as well.
Again, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
Thank you so much, Mike.